What is up, guys? John from Magic Tech Review. And in today's video, I just want to go over a little bit of how to activate a MetroPCS phone by not having to go into the store. I know a lot of you guys have MetroPCS phones out there that maybe you let run out, or you have one sitting in your drawer, or you need to activate some type of phone just to get on and have some type of service or whatever. So fear not, it's pretty easy to do once you have a phone or whatever. Obviously, you do have to have a phone, a MetroPCS phone. But let's go ahead and get into the video. Go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoy my content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family, and comment down below what you think about this video or any other video, and have you done this before. So basically, guys, to go ahead and get your MetroPCS phone activated, it's actually pretty easy. You don't have to go inside store or anything like that. Basically, if you have an old MetroPCS phone, all you really need is the MetroPCS phone and the SIM card, and you can just call to activate it. So if you activate it, obviously you are going to have to pay the $10 activation fee, which I did do this for a coworker just recently, so I know this is actually a valid way to do it or whatever. I did this. He had what phone was it? He had a Sprint phone that was recently a Sprint phone that was actually unlocked all the way or whatever, and he did have MetroPCS. He said like months and months ago, um, and we literally all I had to do was just call in and activate the phone. So he did have to pay, like I said, a $10 activation fee, easy, and then he put on the $30 plan. That's it. So literally, it wasn't even that hard. It wasn't that difficult or whatever, and it was good to go. So instead of having to go through the hassle of actually having to go to the store, you literally just do that. So I don't know how many of you actually know about this trick or know about this type of thing that you can do, but yeah, it's really pretty simple. So there you go. Let's see if I can get this. But yeah, guys, so that's basically it for the tutorial. You literally just call the Metro PCS customer service, and because a lot of people don't know this, they think that you have to actually go in, you have to get a new SIM card and all that other stuff. But no, if you have a SIM card already from Metro PCS in any phone, it doesn't matter. You can just take it out and put it into another phone. Now, obviously, the phone or the SIM card that you're trying to use has to be inactive, so the account has to be already off of it. But once the SIM card is off of that, it's basically a clean SIM card again. So a lot of people don't know that as well. That Metro PCS SIM cards, once you actually use it, and once you actually there's no account left on it, you can just go ahead and reactivate it. That goes for a phone that if it's been activated or whatever, you just wait a month or two until the account is officially off the phone, and that's it. So yeah, pretty easy, guys. Pretty easy stuff. Hopefully you enjoyed this little short tutorial on how to activate any Metro PCS phone, anytime, anywhere. Basically, you just call on in, get your phone active, and don't worry, and you don't have to take your time out of your day just to go to a Metro PCS store. So yeah, this has been John from Magic Tech Review. Just one of these little how-to short tutorials or whatever. So hopefully this will help somebody, save them some time, save them a trip, or save them some money. Anyways, this has been John from Magic Tech Review, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.